So what are you doing in my bed?
This is my bed.
Who told you? I made the bed.
Oh, okay. I made the bed.
Okay, so tell the crazy story about us.
No,
It's our
I'm not.
destiny.
I'm not doing a video with you. Please.
Why? This is a historical moment. I have to videotape it. Do I have to explain what happened? So this crazy girl, she was my best pal, my roommate when I first came to America. And after that we just met once. And I just met her here in this weekend course that I'm taking Long Island. Her name is Candice Andrea. Kennedy, what are you doing here? It's unbelievable. You look so pretty. Why are you hiding your face?
Because I don't want to talk on your video.
You don't want to talk? Okay. Just gonna make some movie around. Okay. There's two other bedrooms. Hello. I think people are sleeping here. Let's get to see the bathroom. Oops. I'm making a video. Hope you don't mind.
Don't mind.
Simple bathroom. And then there is this place here. You have to swipe the card right here. Otherwise you have the key. You have to swipe it. Then you can enter. I don't think that I'm going there because if I close this door I'm not getting in again. But basically, yeah. Basically a simple dorm where we can spend our weekend here taking 3 credits course. It's pretty cool.
Nisha, I can't believe you did this to me. I made up the bed at the bottom and you just put your blanket.
Ah, but you said the girl made it for me. You said, hello Letitia, look, the girl made the bed for you. You're just joking me? And actually I fixed because you really made a bad bed. But I don't care if I have to sleep there on the top. What is this monkey doing? Okay, bye.